Let's take a moment and I'll show you how to turn off the beep tone that you can hear on your Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may be a 1-DIN model or a 2-DIN model, and may or may not have a CD slot across the top like this one, the button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer models: MVH-S300BT, MVH-S400BT, FHS500BT, DEHS4000BT, DEHS4010BT. So there is a beep tone built into your Pioneer in-dash receiver. It confirms that you've touched buttons on the screen. For example, every time I touch the band button here, I can hear that beep tone come through the speakers. Now, that's fine with me, but maybe you don't want to hear that. So let's switch that beep tone off. I'm going to touch in on the volume control from any source here, and I want to go to the System menu. Here's the System menu, and press Enter. And let's roll past here until we get to the beep tone. Right now the beep tone is on. If you don't want to hear the beep tone, press in on the volume control, and now the beep tone is going to be switched off. Now let's press back. And just like that, I don't hear that beep tone when I'm touching buttons on the radio.